Bonjour, I'm French Roast, and some of you may not know, but I'm part of an SMP, and it's been pretty fun. Some players have been, however, on a little bit of a cat killing spree, and I decided to retaliate and kill them. One of them was not happy and decided to take me to court. Minecraft court. Things got a little bit crazy, and for some reason, cats are now banned from the server. Now, this is all recorded live on Twitch, so if you want to see some prime, unedited content before YouTube, please check me out at twitch.tv/FrenchRose. The link is in the description down below. If you like this content, please consider subscribing. It's free, you can always change your mind, and it kind of motivates me to create some more. Enjoy. Hello?
Hello?
Okay, I'm live and I'm so ready. Look at her, everyone. Can you all praise Promise and tell her how pretty she looks and how professional she looks?
It's my lawyer outfit. I'm wearing one in real life as well. I'm ready
Same.
to defend you.
Listen.
Oh, on that note, we need to talk defense. I actually haven't planned any part of your defense.
What? You told me you were taking this very seriously. I can't go to jail.
I mean, I am, but I'm really busy. So we just need to talk like strategy, because I mean, like, I can just be really loud, but I mean, I need some points to be loud with. Don't worry, you're not going to jail.
Okay,
I know this is serious for you.
Yeah, I don't want to go to jail, as I mentioned. Here's the thing. I killed Dylan, and he respawns, right? The cats, it won't. Look at this. It's missing a cat now, and they're all sad and stuff. Look, they're looking away because they're all
traumatic.
sad. Exactly.
You know what, though? We should bring that up. There's trauma for the cat, so it needs to be equally traumatic. Exactly. I mean, cats have rights, too.
Exactly, Promise. Exactly. And Dylan knew they've been named. And you know what? I have proved that he
Did he kill a named one?
Look, cat was slain by It's Truly Dylan using Le Pug sword. Now that I had a lawyer and evidence, I just needed to get to the courthouse. I trust you, Promise. I really do.
Yeah. Court is now in session.
Everyone please rise.
For the judge.
Please everyone be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, I come before you to help ensure that our laws are enforced to the best of our ability here on this server. It is very clear that we have come to an issue that needs to be adjudicated by civil law. We have, of course, our jury that is here able to determine which party deserves a compensation for the acts committed. We will hear the facts from both sides, and I expect everyone to behave in a competent, calm, and orderly manner. We cannot simply allow the chaos that has been reigning on the server to continue inside my courtroom. I expect everyone to remain civil. Is that understood?
Yes, Mr.
Yeah, your lordship.
Yes, sir.
It's your honor. Yes, your honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
In
Yes.
Canada, it's your lordship, so I'll say that.
Now, I imagine that each side will has an opening statement that they wish to make to present why we are all here.
Obviously, we all know what has happened between these two. Dylan killed a cat, French killed him. It's a matter of defining whose life has more value, and I just feel as if we shouldn't be trying to define things like that within a courtroom. I mean, there is no measure of the value of life. Value of life. Excuse me?
Order! No physical violence in the courtroom, please.
There is no set definition of the value of life, and for us to be coming here in court today to honestly define that is a bit ridiculous. And I just believe that, honestly, French did what she needed to provide equal justice and to take revenge.
Thank you, Promise.
Yes, so first off, she says all lives should matter, right? Well, then she says, oh, French killed Mr. Dillon over here just for vengeance. See, how I see this whole situation playing out is there was an accident, a very tragic accident, and he was over here just chopping down trees, and this cat that was not on a leash, was not in the house, nothing, just up and just ran in front of his ex. The one accusing my client goes and just murders him. And then they go and say all lives matter. But if all lives matter, then murder wouldn't have been on the table. And so that's how I'll open, and we'll rest there.
Very well.
He's lying.
Okay, so prosecution, since this is your case to prove, you may begin.
Yes, I'd like to call French up to the stand, actually.
I swear to tell nothing but the truth and everything the truth. I don't. Anyways, I swear.
Okay.
That is acceptable.
Thank you, Kevin. Or, Your Honor, sorry. Sorry. Excuse me? Sir, are you just gonna allow this to happen?
In your courthouse?
I don't. If the defense could just settle down, please.
Shut
as we...
up.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
My bad.
Your
It is
Honor,
my right to speak to my client.
can you do it a little quieter?
Okay, fine. Wow,
Anyway,
Hey.
Your Honor, French roast. We all know her. She's an angel. She's a goddess amongst all of us, and she can never do anything wrong. Okay? Now listen here. We all know how important her cats are. So let me ask French, what exactly happened?
Alright. Thank you, Promise. First off, it happened at my house. Dylan murdered a black cat that I've mentioned time and times before how it is so important not to kill them. They are an endangered species on the server. So I have 5 black cats that I keep in a very special place. They do not move from there because it is not safe for them to leave. So my cat was just sitting there, and then it says cat was slain by It's Truly Dylan using Le Pog's sword. My cat was murdered with a sword. Where near my house were you chopping trees? And also, why is your axe named Le Pog's sword? So my cat was murdered with intent.
There is no reason for somebody to just unprovoked kill a cat that is already an endangered species on the server. That's not okay, and we need to be having consequence for this. And I think my client, French Roast, killing him in an act of like a hit she placed on him herself for equality, to get a message across that her cats aren't to be just murdered mercilessly. I think that's okay.
Maybe he needed some dark oak sap.
The cat is inside my house.
I have not asked you any questions yet.
Hey, don't speak to her like that.
Prosecution, please. The defense is asking questions.
Yeah. Shut up.
Shut up, Dylan.
So again, I have not got to my question yet. I'm just laying some facts out here that the accusing over here has
Please
laid
stop
out.
looking at me like that.
And
Prosecution, settle down.
With the naming of the sword, everybody can name their sword something. That's just Minecraft logic with anvils. Do you agree? With anvils.
You just said a sword. He was not cutting trees.
Do you agree that we can rename items with an anvil?
I agree.
Okay.
Ridiculous.
So for all we know, that could have been an axe just named sword.
I mean, I guess, but we have no proof that it's an axe. You're just it's.
How's
I don't-
Your Honor, this makes no sense.
Prosecution, if you have a legitimate objection, you may bring it up. Otherwise, please be silent.
Objection!
Yes, what is your
Pandering. This
objection?
is pandering.
Can you overrule that, please? Because she doesn't
Hey,
even know what she's
Oh,
talking
he
about.
said pretty please. He said pretty please, eh? So we gotta listen to him?
Dylan?
Prosecution,
you
you
should.
will
No,
not.
this is ridiculous. This is a stupid
I got
court.
this.
All right. I
Prosecution.
trust you.
It's just absolutely ridiculous that we're even discussing this. Like, honestly,
We're gonna take a brief recess, a brief 2-minute recess.
Listen, we can't win this.
what do you mean we can't win this? I literally just made the judge.
Changing facts and lying and
Literally,
he-
though, like, what do you
he
mean
was-
he was cutting down trees?
that's
They
the
were
thing.
in your
He was
house.
in my house, so that's the thing. And I don't know how much. I don't know how we're gonna get out of this. Promise. I don't understand.
Listen,
Prosecution.
No. You need to hear me out. One of your jury members is clearly biased. I don't know how you picked your jury, but they were
Okay.
literally DMing me talking about how they hate cats and how French is gonna lose.
Look,
like,
prosecution. I
what
do
kind
not
of court are
appreciate.
you running?
I do not appreciate you accusing the jury of bias
I've
here.
got the DMs.
Can you
You wanna-
return to your seat, please?
would sure most people would agree that cats are in overpopulation.
What?
It is an issue.
What?
There are cats all over
Objection.
lined in your base.
Lying?
No, I take care.
Objection?
I take care of the
No,
cats.
she doesn't.
Lying.
She's gonna spew
That's
crap.
just not even factual.
Do you have stats? Do you have anything? In my house is a safe
hold on,
haven.
hold on.
My house is a
Witness,
safe haven for
witness,
those
please,
cats,
witness, please.
and he murdered.
Well,
No, I will not be silenced when a bunch of people are spouting fake facts. Cats,
Look.
black cats are endangered. Find me a black cat in the wild that is not with a witch.
Witness, you're not allowed to speak unless you're asked a question. No one has asked you a question yet.
Your Honor.
He's talking to me and accusing me of lies.
Judge Kevin.
It
Yes.
was definitely not me.
Wait, what?
Who is-
What is?
Judge Kevin, I have something important to say.
I have been given evidence here by this kind civilian. It is apparently in my possession is a axe of some sort named Le Pog. Pog sword.
We're just
what is
tolerating people bringing in new evidence that wasn't there before? What kind of court do you rule?
Actually,
Settle down, witness. Settle down.
we're ready.
Yeah, we're like ready. We were prepared for this. We actually
ready
did.
for the next witness, I
Prosecution,
feel
will you
like-
please settle down and just
Will you
let
please
the
stop
defense-
talking to us like that? Like, your
we're ready
lordship.
for
Like,
next
come
witness.
on.
I feel like that one guy's taken forever.
Oh, I firstly would like to ask, where was this axe found?
It was in a chest. One of my chests in my upper portion of my
I know.
house.
I need to take this more
Okay,
seriously.
so-
I'm gonna take this more seriously. We're
So,
going on
it's very
serious
possible
mode.
That could have killed my client afterwards, after the accidental death, and then taken this axe and tried to hide it and claim it was a sword, correct?
That is possible.
Okay.
What?
So I don't see how it could have been an accident that you killed one of the black cats that's inside her house. I mean, the cats are inside her house, Your Honor, and there's no
yes. We've
found in
established the fact that cats are inside of French's house. Everyone knows that French has cats. Nobody cares that French has cats.
What?
Whoa,
Oh, Kevin, that's
biased.
yeah.
Okay.
Mr.
Seems
Judge, sir,
unnecessary.
that's a
If
bit-
we
Your lordship.
if we could just please get back to the case at hand here, so
This
that
is
we
the
can
case
sort of-
at hand, sir.
What is-
It's in regards to her cat. That's the catalyst.
the cat. Did you just make a cat pun? Another cat
do
pun?
you
Cringe.
have a problem with how I'm interviewing this witness?
Yes, I have a problem. I
What?
have a problem with your entire.
You know what? This is a
prosecution.
mess. This is a mess. You've been biased towards these who are clearly lying. It is so evident. They changed their story twice, and now you're acting like we're just two dumb girls just trying to prove a point. But this is serious. This is serious here. Okay? Come on, Kevin, get it together. Jeez, they are clearly lying. They changed their stories twice, and then you got Eamon showing up like, "Hey everyone," and it doesn't work. Where?
Okay. Settle down, everyone. It's
Right,
very
I'm done.
clear.
I'm
It's
done
very,
with
it's
witness.
very clear. It's very clear. This court case, no matter what decision, whatever outcome, is just not going to please everyone because everyone here is quite up in their lederhosen, trying to
Like
you
the
know
ones you
promise. Okay. This court case is very clearly over. We needed a bigger solution than these silly antics. And
How is this silly?
I think I know exactly what we need to do.
Yeah,
know
make
exactly
them guilty.
What we need to do. No. It's not about. It's not
You just
about.
say that I'm guilty.
It's very clear that you guys
pretty
cannot
obvious, buddy.
respect the rules of court, but maybe you'll respect the rules of law. We need to make a new law, ladies and gentlemen. We need to make a new law to ban cats.
What?
Because it's very clearly that cats.
This is
Are
just
the problem.
ridiculous. Okay, let's ban cats. Yeah, right, Kevin. Good joke.
give
Okay,
you
let's
that
move on.
authority.
Can we move on from
You're
that funny joke? What is
don't
what is
make
this?
it.
What?
I have put various pieces of paper inside this chest here, blank pieces of paper, and we're going to vote. We're gonna vote to ban cats.
Hey, don't. Where are you? I just want to talk to you on the side for a minute.
Wait, okay.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go here. Follow me.
So get out of the courtroom because this is.
Yeah, this is... Dylan, you murdered one of my cats. They're important cats.
Yeah,
They're
I know
like
were
subscriber
important, but
cats and
I
stuff.
just wanted a payment for my death. I wasn't going to come out here and ban your cats.
Dude, he
This is
literally
far
had
from
that-
what I was trying to push.
He had that in his inventory. Ready
What?
To go.
But...
Like he pulled out that chest and there was already paper. Like he was. And what? Like did you guys? Okay, Dylan. Whether or not you agree with her killing you or the cat thing, the jury, Mizzy was literally in my DM saying that I was gonna lose this.
Okay, well, this doesn't make any sense. We just have to vote no. Everyone's gonna vote no.
Oh, yeah,
It's gonna be embarrassing.
Vote no, Dylan.
Okay, yeah. If we all vote no,
okay.
there's no
Okay,
one-
yeah.
'Cause I just wanted a couple diamonds or something. I didn't.
Yeah, we could arrange that. We could arrange that.
Yeah.
You know what? Yeah, let's just vote.
We're
Okay.
all voting no though, and it'll be over.
Why are we doing this? Is it just gonna make this course lame? He's doing this for content. It's fine. Yeah, so I'm just putting it in here, and I'm sitting down, because this is ridiculous, and let's go back to just chat, everyone.
Okay.
Alright, this is dumb, Kevin. This is gonna be embarrassing for you, I'll be very honest. Like, come on.
That word you just used there, say it again.
I'm sorry, this is not a good call. Where is he going? What was that? He just wants to do something. What? Eamon, what did he do? That was weird. I'm just gonna sit back down. It should be fine, right? We'll be fine, and they're not actually gonna ban cats, right?
What?
So I think we might be deep in the S.
What happened?
So I see everyone voting, right?
Yeah, nobody's like literally only that one jury member is like, oh, bad cats.
Yeah, that's the thing. I think we might lose here.
What? No.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and did everyone vote? Everyone
Yeah,
voted?
we all voted. We're
Okay,
fine.
then
I don't know why we're
then
having this
I'm
talk.
going to- I'm going to count these votes up here. Okay, and then we will determine what is the result of this vote here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we've taken a vote here, democratically taken a vote on the server, and
Cats aren't gonna be banned.
I am proud to announce that we have all voted to ban cats.
What?
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 Oh.
No, but
Oh,
seriously,
yeah.
okay, haha,
Okay.
Kevin. Funny Minecraft
Funny,
short.
dude.
Yo,
I
that's
have
so
a vote.
funny.
And
What?
I've counted them up, and it's very clear that we have all agreed to ban cats.
What?
Wait,
What?
Why is my
There is no need for recount. Everyone voted clearly.
No.
Everyone knew what was being voted on. This isn't a court case anymore. This is democracy, and in democracy, majority
In
rules.
charge of
Democracy.
making and enforcing laws. That doesn't make sense.
You just like created a law on the spot.
This doesn't seem like a democracy at all. This seems.
So what do we just like kill our? What is it? We kill our cats?
Well, I think that we can be all reasonable people here and give everyone a week to say their goodbyes
Oh my
and then kill their cats.
We can say goodbye.
What you so what? Now on the underdog server we don't have cats?
Yes, there's no more cats on this server whatsoever. We've all taken a vote. We've passed a law. No
Not
cat.
in the library.
No cats-related item. No cats decoration. It's very clear here on the server that you are all very bad at following the law and have no sense of any order and justice. So I will be creating a team of people to enforce the law against
A police force against cats?
We're gonna be on it.
those violating it. I will lead this team of enforcers and ensure that
No,
we
wait,
have
wait,
this
promise, wait.
law
I just-
settled that the people will not violate it. So please ensure that all your affairs are in order in 1 week, or else enforcement will be speaking with you.
you.